Hey loves, I'm so excited about this wig video. So this wig is from OMGqueen. It comes with a wig stand that you can place your wig on. It also comes with a service card on how to do any type of exchanges or returns if you need to. It also comes with the wig, of course, and it also comes with these new elastic bands that has hooks on the ends that you can apply to your wig. So I'm really excited to try that out. Before I get started, I'm definitely going to bleach the knots on this wig. I have a full tutorial below if you want to check it out. I'm going to let the bleach sit on the wig for about 18 minutes and then rinse it out. So this is pretty much what the hairline or the wig looks like before doing any plucking. I do prefer to use a good pair of tweezers. It just makes a difference with the plucking process. Also, I prefer to pluck the hairline when the hair is actually wet. So this is what the hairline looks like before doing any type of plucking, and this is what it looks like after. So it makes a huge difference, guys, if you go in and pluck the hairline for a more natural look. So of course I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off, and right now I'm just cutting the lace straight across. Like, y'all have no idea how geeked I am about trying out this wig. I even glued it down, girl. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the ear tabs off just so the wig lays good behind my ears, and of course making sure I pay extra attention to those sides because it is a little difficult for the frontal to secure down. So I'm going to use the Makeup Forever foundation powder to tint the lace and get rid of like that white cast that's on the lace. I don't really know what that is, but hey, the foundation works. So I'm also going to take a razor comb and kind of thin out the sideburns, and then I'm going to just use a hot comb to comb through the hair just to get it to lay flat at the roots. I ordered this $20 hot comb from Target online, which is bomb. I did have a hot comb from Sally's, which was like $40, and it was awful, but yes, go get this hot comb. It's amazing. Of course, I used a wax stick to flatten out the hair even more. Can we just have a moment of silence on this natural looking wig, please? Just for a minute. Like, sis, do you see how freaking good this wig looks? Like, girl, like, this is why I was so geeked about this wig. Like, it looks so much like African American hair, whether you are natural or you're relaxed. Like, do you see how full that ponytail looks? Girl, like when I wore this wig out in public yesterday, I got so many compliments on my hair. And like, let me show you guys the back because y'all be trying to come for me about not showing the back. So bam, sis. Yes, this wig better come through, honey, because I am totally here for it. So the next look, I'm going to go ahead and put this wig into a high ponytail. Now keep in mind, I only have the front of my wig secured down using the Got To Be Glued gel. But I'm going to use this scarf to tie around my entire head, making sure the back of the wig is tucked underneath the scarf. And I'm going to get a high, neat ponytail this way instead. This just makes sure the back of the wig doesn't come up, and it also makes sure the front of the wig doesn't come up either, because I did not, girl, like look at that ponytail. Oh my god. I'm so geeked. I can't wait to wear this wig again. But when you're wearing a frontal install with not using actual holding glue, you definitely want to make sure the wig stays down. So using the scarf will help you keep your wig secured down. So this is what the wig looks like in a ponytail, and this is what it looks like in the back. And only thing I'm doing is taking a couple of bobby pins and placing them right in the back of the wig to secure the wig to the back of my head. And as you can see, it definitely stays. I do have my head bent over so you can kind of see the lace poking out a little bit, but as you can see, it is seamless. So I'm going to add a little bit of bump to this wig because the hair is just a little too straight for me, so I want a little bit of bump at the end of this hair. So I love this wig, like, wow. So this is a better view of the back, and like, girl, what wig? Please tell me, because this thing right here looks so freaking natural. Like, this is insane. And then you guys are going to remember this look right here. But remember when I had my relaxed hair and I used to do my buns like this? Like, God, I am so excited about this wig. Like, I cannot wait to wear this wig again. Like, seriously. So let me talk about the details on this wig. Again, this wig is from OMGqueen. This is their Brazilian kinky straight lace front wig. The texture of this hair is kinky straight. It's 18 inches. The density is 130, which is the normal density. And girl, this wig is everything. Let me just zoom in on this kinky texture. Like, this mimics African American hair to the T, whether it is natural or it is relaxed. Like, this hair looks amazing. It is a huge difference from a yaki texture wig. I do have a yaki texture video. I'll put that below. Here's the main big difference. A yaki texture has those little crimps in the hair. This kinky texture has no crimps at all. And do you see how I just ran that flat iron through the hair and I got this look? With a yaki texture, you will not get a bone straight look when you are flat ironing your hair. However, with this kinky texture, girl, let me tell you something. Both styles are extremely natural. I guarantee you somebody is going to come up to you and ask you, is that your real hair? Whether it is straightened or you wear it in its natural state. That is just how natural this wig looks. Like, do you see how full that looks after straightening the hair? So, with all that being said, please go out and buy this wig. If you want a natural looking wig that's going to look like your hair and look like African American hair, girl, don't play yourself. If you decide to purchase this wig, definitely come back on this video and let me know how much you love it. Thanks for watching.